Alright, let's look at the homework 8.2, problem number 1. Alright, so we want to find the area of the surface of a revolution here. Alright, so surface area S is going to be, so it looks like we always have 2 pi in front, and you have an integral from 0 to 4. Alright? And the radius is going to be a function itself, so since it's rotated about the x-axis, so you have a x cubed. Then width is going to be, right, the arc length formula, so we just have to find the derivative. So dy over dx is going to be 3x squared, right? So it's going to be 1 plus, right, dy over dx squared. So 3 squared would be 9. X squared would be x to the 4th power, right? dx, right? So let's use a substitution. We can let u be 1 plus 9x to the 4th, right? Then if you take the derivative of u with respect to x, you will get 4 times 9, 36 x cubed, right? And then we're going to put it upside down. So we have a dx over du, which is equal to 1 over 36 x cubed. Alright, then we can just multiply through by du to isolate dx. So dx is du over 36 x cubed. Alright, then also we have to do the lower limit and the upper limit. So x is going from 0 to 4, right? And which means that the u is going to go from, right, plug in 0, so 1 plus 0 is a 1, 2, right? Put 4, so 4 to the 4th power. What's that? Let's see. So 4 to the 4th power is 4 times 4 is 16, and so another 16, right? So 6 times 6 is 36. 6 times 1, so it's 96, and the 1 6, and 6 and the 5. All right, 256. Then you have to multiply by 9, so you multiply by 9. And let's see, so that's 56, right? So 6 times 9 is 54, right? And 5 times 9 is 45, so let's see, 50, right? 2 times 9 is 18, so it's 223, right? So plus 1, so it's going to be 2,305, right? Because you have to add 1 to that, right? So this is going to be equal to, right? You have 2 pi, and you're going from 1 to 2,305, and then you have x cubed. I'm going to leave that, and here we decided to call this guy u, right? So you're going to have a square root of u, right? Then dx is the same thing as du over 36 x cubed. All right, so let's clean this up a little bit. We can cancel x cubed on top and x cubed on the bottom, right? Then we can bring out the 36 outside, so you're going to have, actually, I'm going to go ahead and cancel 2 and 36, so it's going to be 18, right? So what you get is there's pi, right? Then it's 18 on the bottom, right? Then you have an integral from 1 to 2,305, and the square root I don't like, so I'm going to write it as a 1/2 power. Then you have du, right? Find the antiderivative, so it's a pi over 18. All right, antiderivative of that would be add 1 to the power, so u to the 3/2 power. Divide by 3/2 is multiplied by 2/3. Right? Then you're going from 1 to 2305. Alright, then we can simplify a little bit. So 2 and 18 cancel out. You have a 9. So you're going to get, let's see, pi over 3 times 9 is 27. Alright, then we have, so it's kind of a yucky number, but to plug it in, so you have a 2,305 raise it to the 3/2 power minus 1. Alright, so let's type this guy in. Alright, so we got, let's see, we got the pi over 27. Alright, then we have, let's see, 2,305 raise it to the 3/2 power minus 1. Alright, so let's check the answer. Submit for testing. Alright, it came back and looks like we got this one correctly. Alright, that's it. I hope that this was clear.